Hi guys and welcome to this new video. Today I want to make a fidget spinner from some polymer clay. The first step is to draw the design of the spinner on a piece of paper. I just made this very quickly. Yes, if you want you can just screenshot and copy it, but of course you can also make your own one, which is pretty cool I think. Now I just cut this out and glue it on a piece of wood. Let's saw it out. It took me pretty long because you have to be very precise. And now let's just drill a hole. It should have the same thickness as the one in the bearing. Next I'll make a mold from this polymer clay. What you want to do is to take some clay and put it around the wooden spinner. By the way, just forget about the hole I made a step ago. I had another idea but it probably wouldn't work out, so it is completely unnecessary. Nice. This worked out pretty good, but I have to say at the beginning the polymer clay was pretty sticky, so I still managed to get this out, but of course then it wasn't shaped perfectly, so I had to put it in the oven for like only 5 minutes. Now I will put it in the oven to completely harden it. Just follow your instructions. Mine look like this. As you can see, now the mold is hardened and I can fill it with the actual polymer clay for the spinner. Now I'll cut the excess off. If you put some oil on a stone, like I did, you can shape it very easily. So the battery of my camera was empty, and while I was loading it, now it has been half an hour since I put the spinner with the bearing in, and now I can take it out. At the moment it's quite hard, but it's not completely hardened yet, so this means it's perfect to refine it a little bit. To make it smooth, I'm also going to sand it. The heavier the ends of the spinner are, the longer and faster will it turn. So I'll add some weight by putting these steel BBs into some holes here. To make it look even better, I'll put some oil on. Let's put it together. The last step is to make a little pin to stick it inside here, so it reduces the friction if you hold the spinner. And there you can see the finished spinner. Let's see how it spins. This was my Fidget Spinner tutorial. I hope you liked it, and if you did, you could do everything nearly every YouTuber says at the end of the video. You're not dumb, and thanks for watching. By the way, I suck at spinning.